Every summer something remarkable happens across America's peach orchards. As the days grow longer and the sun shines brighter, a quiet transformation takes place in fields stretching from California to Georgia. The air fills with the sweet scent of ripening fruit, and the landscape is painted with the soft blush of peaches ready to be picked. Billions of peaches ripen, their fuzzy skins warming in the sun. Each peach is a tiny miracle, soaking up sunlight and summer rain, growing plump and juicy on the branch. The trees, heavy with fruit, seem to bow under the weight of their bounty, promising a harvest that will soon delight taste buds across the country. By the end of the season, these juicy jewels are picked, packed, and canned by the truckload. Teams of skilled workers move quickly through the orchards, carefully selecting only the ripest peaches. Crates overflow with fruit and trucks rumble down dusty roads, carrying the harvest to bustling canning facilities where the real magic begins. If you've ever opened a can of peaches in your kitchen, you're part of this great journey. That sweet golden fruit in your bowl connects you to a tradition that spans generations and brings a taste of summer to tables all year long. It's not just a simple process. Getting a peach from the branch to your spoon takes planning, teamwork, and some surprising science. Every peach is inspected for quality, sorted by size and ripeness, and handled with care to ensure it arrives at its peak of flavor. Behind the scenes, food scientists and engineers work together to preserve that just-picked taste, using innovative techniques to lock in freshness and nutrition. It starts months before the first harvest. Orchards buzz with activity year-round as growers prepare for these summer days. In the chill of early spring, workers prune trees and tend to the soil, setting the stage for a healthy crop. Equipment is checked and readied, and every detail is managed to give the peaches the best chance to thrive. The journey from orchard to can is one of America's juiciest stories. It's about family farmers who have tended these trees for decades, skilled workers who know just when a peach is ready, and cutting-edge technology that keeps the process efficient and safe. It's a blend of tradition and innovation, hard work and heart. There are challenges too: weather, pests, and the race to get peaches off the tree at just the right moment. A sudden storm can threaten the crop, and vigilant eyes scan for signs of insects or disease. Timing is everything, and the window for perfect picking is short. It's a race against nature, and every year brings new surprises. So, how do billions of peaches transform from fruit on a tree to slices in your dessert? Let's follow this syrupy trail from the ground up, and discover the care, science, and passion that go into every can. From the first blossom to the final spoonful, the story of America's peaches is as sweet as the fruit itself. Peach production is big business in America. Every summer as the sun rises over vast orchards, thousands of workers set out to harvest one of the country's most beloved fruits. The scale of this operation is truly impressive, involving careful planning, hard work, and a deep connection to the land. Each year, the United States grows more than 1.2 billion pounds of peaches. That's enough peaches to fill over 400 Olympic-sized swimming pools. From small family farms to massive commercial operations, peaches are picked, sorted, and packed by the millions, destined for markets across the nation. The heart of this booming industry is California, which produces over 2/3 of all peaches grown in the United States. California's peach orchards are legendary, stretching across the state's fertile valleys and providing jobs for thousands of people. The state's unique climate and rich soil make it the perfect place for peaches to thrive. But California isn't the only state with a passion for peaches. Georgia and South Carolina are famous for their own sweet, juicy peaches too. These states have built their identities around this iconic fruit, celebrating peach festivals and sharing their harvests with the world. California's Central Valley is often called Peach Paradise. Here, warm days and cool nights help peaches grow plump and flavorful, developing the perfect balance of sweetness and tang. The valley's orchards are a patchwork of green and gold, bursting with fruit every summer. Thousands of acres are covered in tidy rows of peach trees, each one carefully tended by skilled growers. These orchards are a testament to generations of farming knowledge, passed down through families who have dedicated their lives to growing the best peaches possible. These orchards stretch for miles, creating one of the world's biggest fruit belts. From the air, the landscape looks like a sea of green, dotted with the soft blush of ripening peaches. It's a sight that captures the scale and beauty of American agriculture. Georgia, known as the Peach State, is proud of its heritage. Its famous red clay soils and humid climate give Georgia peaches their signature taste, sweet, juicy, and bursting with flavor. Local farmers take great pride in their fruit, often saying that a true Georgia peach is unlike any other. South Carolina, not to be outdone, often grows even more peaches than Georgia, making it a top contender in the peach world. The state's orchards are filled with hardworking families and communities who have made peach growing a way of life. Together, these states put billions of peaches on American tables. From roadside stands to big city supermarkets, peaches travel hundreds of miles to reach consumers, bringing a taste of summer to people everywhere. They also keep canneries running at full tilt every summer. In these bustling factories, peaches are washed, peeled, and packed into cans, preserving their flavor for enjoyment all year long. Whether fresh or canned, America's peaches are a symbol of abundance, hard work, and the sweet rewards of the harvest season. Every peach journey starts with soil. Farmers test the ground, making sure it's rich and drains well. They remove old roots and weeds, then use tractors to loosen the earth. This gives young trees the best chance to grow strong. Peach trees aren't usually grown from seeds. Instead, farmers use grafted saplings. A hardy rootstock is joined with a branch from a prized peach variety. This method gives the new tree disease resistance and tasty fruit. Each sapling is planted in neat rows, spaced so branches have room to spread. After planting, growers carefully water the saplings and add mulch to keep weeds away. It can take 3 to 4 years before a new orchard gives its first big crop. Patience is key for farmers, but these early years set the stage for decades of harvests. Caring for young trees is constant work. From the start, it's about preparing for the perfect peach. When winter comes, peach trees drop their leaves and rest, but for farmers, the work never stops. This is pruning season, a time to shape the trees and plan for next year's fruit. Pruning means cutting away old, crowded, or weak branches. Workers use sharp clippers and saws, moving from tree to tree. This isn't random, each cut has a purpose. It helps sunlight and air reach the center of the tree, which means healthier peaches later. Pruned trees put their energy into fewer branches. That way, each peach gets more sugar and grows bigger and juicier. It also keeps the tree at the right height for easy picking come summer. Proper pruning is an art. It takes years of experience to know where to cut. But when spring arrives, the reward is clear, thousands of buds ready to burst into flower. As the weather warms, peach trees explode in pink and white blossoms. For a few magical weeks, orchards look like something out of a fairy tale. But you know, this beauty has a purpose. Every blossom could become a peach, if it's pollinated. Enter the bees. Farmers often bring in hives of honeybees just as the blossoms open. The bees buzz from flower to flower, spreading pollen that lets peaches start to form. Without this step, there would be no fruit. Pollination is a race against time. Flowers only last a short while, and honestly, weather can be tricky. A cold snap or rainstorm can spoil a season's crop. That's why farmers keep a close eye on the forecast and the bees' activity. When pollination goes well, every branch is covered with tiny green peaches. The real work is about to begin. Soon after pollination, peach trees can look overloaded with baby fruit. That might seem like a good thing, but too many peaches can mean smaller, less flavorful fruit. So, farmers thin the crop by removing some peaches by hand. Workers walk each row, gently twisting off the smallest and weakest peaches. It's a painstaking job but crucial for quality. Thinning lets the remaining fruit get more sunlight, water, and nutrients. Without thinning, branches could break under the weight. Overcrowded peaches are also more likely to rot or attract pests. With fewer peaches per tree, each one grows larger, sweeter, and juicier, the kind that ends up in your can or bowl. This careful balancing act makes sure only the best fruit reaches the next stage of the journey. Peach trees are thirsty and hungry. Farmers use advanced irrigation to deliver just the right amount of water. Modern drip systems send water straight to each tree's roots, wasting little and helping trees stay healthy during dry spells. Fertilizers are also important. Soil tests tell farmers what nutrients are missing. They add minerals like potassium and nitrogen to help peaches develop flavor and color. Too little, and the fruit stays small. Too much, and the trees can suffer. Technology plays a big role here. Sensors in the soil track moisture and nutrients. Computer systems can turn irrigation on and off automatically, even at night or during heat waves. All this care pays off. Healthy, well-fed trees mean a bigger, better peach harvest, ready for picking. Harvest season is a race against time and heat. Peaches are picked by hand, one by one, because machines can bruise the soft fruit. Skilled workers move down each row, feeling for peaches that are just the right color, size, and firmness. A ripe peach is a work of art, golden, blushing with red, and slightly soft to the touch. Workers twist the fruit gently from the branch and place them in padded buckets or baskets. Timing is everything. A day too early, and the peach won't be sweet. Too late, and it's overripe. Harvest crews often start at dawn, working through the cool morning hours to keep peaches fresh. The work is hard but rewarding. Each picker can gather thousands of peaches a day during the peak. Once picked, peaches head straight to cooling sheds to keep them firm and juicy. After harvest, the race is on to preserve freshness. Peaches are delicate fruits, and every minute counts once they're picked. Farm workers move quickly, gathering the ripe peaches from the trees and loading them into crates. The goal is to get them out of the hot sun and into a controlled environment as soon as possible, because even a short delay can mean a loss of quality and flavor. Peaches are cooled quickly, often within hours of picking. This rapid cooling is essential to lock in their natural sweetness and juiciness. The fruit is whisked away to cold storage rooms, where the temperature is carefully regulated to slow down ripening and prevent spoilage. Cold storage keeps them from softening or spoiling before they reach the cannery. The cool air halts the enzymes that cause peaches to break down, preserving their texture and taste. Next up is washing, a crucial step to ensure the fruit is clean and ready for processing. Conveyor belts carry the fruit through showers of cool water to remove dirt and fuzz. Powerful jets rinse away any residue from the orchard, including leaves, dust, and the natural fuzz that covers peach skin. This step is not just about cleanliness, it's about preparing the peaches for the next phase of their journey. Then, high-tech optical sorters scan each peach for size, color, and blemishes. These machines use cameras and sensors to inspect every piece of fruit, ensuring only the best peaches move forward. The technology can detect imperfections invisible to the human eye, guaranteeing a consistent product. Only the best go forward. The rest are sent for juice or animal feed. Peaches that don't meet the strict standards aren't wasted, they're repurposed, ensuring nothing goes unused. This efficient sorting process helps reduce food waste and supports other industries. At the canning factory, peaches are peeled and pitted by machines. These specialized machines can process thousands of peaches per hour, removing skins and pits with incredible speed and precision. This automation not only saves time but also keeps the process sanitary and consistent. Slices or halves are packed into cans with syrup or juice. The syrup helps preserve the fruit's flavor and texture, while the canning process locks in freshness. Workers carefully monitor the filling process to ensure each can contains the perfect amount of fruit and liquid. Each can is sealed tight and heated until the contents are safe and shelf-stable. This sterilization step is vital. It destroys any bacteria or microorganisms, making sure the peaches stay delicious and safe to eat for months or even years. Technology ensures every step is fast and sanitary. From temperature controls to automated sorters and sealers, modern equipment helps maintain the highest standards of food safety and quality. Skilled workers oversee the process, ready to step in if anything goes wrong. From the first bud to the last can, it's a journey that takes skill, science, and a lot of sweat. Generations of farmers and factory workers have perfected these methods, blending tradition with innovation to bring America's peaches from orchard to table. The next time you open a can of peaches, remember the long, juicy road it traveled to reach your spoon. Behind every bite is a story of hard work, careful handling, and a commitment to preserving the taste of summer all year round.